Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. If I put number 1 in here, you got about 0, 0. So we have about 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital. So we need to do first the derivative on numerator and denominator. So first the derivative of this one, you got about cosine of the square root of s minus 1. Later that we continue do first the derivative inside of sine. This one you got about number 1 because first the derivative of s you got about 1. First the derivative of the constant you got about 0. So you have number 1 in here. This one we just do only first the derivative of the square root of s. We will have about 1 over number 2 with the square root of s. Now we can put number 1 go in here and here. We calculate about this one and you got about 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.